In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create desktop shortcuts for Google Drive files and folders. By the end, you'll have quick, one-click access to the Drive folders or files you use most, straight from your desktop. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so Drive opens to your content. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the small grid icon. Those 9 dots are the Google Apps Launcher. Click it, then choose Drive from the menu. This takes you directly into your Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, navigate to what you want fast access to. Open the specific folder you want a shortcut for so you're viewing it directly. If you prefer a file instead, open that item so its page is active in your browser. The shortcut you create will point to whatever you currently have open. Now, move to your browser's main menu. In the top right corner of your browser window, click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. In this menu, hover your mouse over the section labeled Save and Share. Depending on your version of the browser, you might see Cast nearby, and just below it, Save and Share. That's the one you need. From the Save and Share options, click Create Shortcut. You'll see a small confirmation window appear. It will display the name that the shortcut will use, usually pulled from the folder or file title. If everything looks good, click Create to confirm. Your browser will now generate a shortcut to this exact Drive location. After creation, look for the new shortcut on your desktop. Double-clicking it will instantly open your default browser right to that Drive folder or file, saving you the time of navigating through the Drive interface each time. This is especially helpful for projects you access daily or shared folders you need to check often. If you don't see the Create Shortcut option in your menu, make sure you're using an up-to-date Chromium-based browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and that you're not in a private or incognito window. Also confirm you've opened the exact folder or file page before creating the shortcut, since the shortcut mirrors whatever you're viewing. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. You now have an easy desktop doorway to your Google Drive content, ready whenever you are.